In this course, we'll explore the exciting world of AI-powered web development and learn how to create stunning web pages with the help of artificial intelligence. My name is Devnul, and I'll be your instructor for this course. AI-powered web development is a revolutionary approach to building websites and web applications. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to automate various aspects of web development, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. With AI-powered web development, you can create web pages without writing code, using intuitive visual interfaces and drag-and-drop tools. There are many AI-powered web development tools available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular options include Wix, Squarespace, Google's Web Designer, and Adobe XD. These tools offer a range of features such as automated coding, responsive design, and integration with third-party services. That's it for our first video. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to AI-powered web development. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the features and capabilities of AI-powered web development tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.